This is Daniel Robert Middleton. He's kinda good at YouTube. Let's take a look at the numbers. 25 mil subs, 18 billion views, over 15 million USD a year. How? It's because he does this one weird trick involving this cartoon. But before I tell you about that, let me tell you the first DanTDM secret, which is series. Dan's smart. While most people create videos that stand on their own, he creates videos that stand as part of a series. He's done this his entire YouTube career, even during the early Pokemon days. The reason this works is because with videos that stand on their own, if viewers happen to like the video, they'll watch the full video. With a series, if viewers happen to like the video, they'll watch the full series. And so this is what Dan has managed to do so well on YouTube. He captivates an audience because he brings them on a journey with him. If they miss a video in the series, they'll go back and watch the previous videos. And on top of that, they're curious about what's going to happen in the next video. This is not a new concept whatsoever, because this is the foundation for how TV shows work. They show you an interesting idea, they leave you feeling curious at the end of an episode, and you tune in for the next one. If you miss an episode, you go back and watch it. Simple and effective. However, Dan took this age-old concept and brought it to YouTube and capitalized on it in a big way because of how the YouTube algorithm works. Pay close attention here. We know that watch time and CTR are the two biggest metrics used by the YouTube algorithm because they do a good job of predicting how good a video is. Watch time is how much time your video is watched after someone clicks on it. CTR is a measure of how often your video thumbnails are clicked when they're shown to someone. For example, if your thumbnail is seen 1,000 times on YouTube and 100 people click on it, that's a click-through rate of 10%. If we were to analyze the logistics of a typical DanTDM upload, we would see a very high watch time because viewers are watching to continue the series, so they're most likely watching the full thing. Next, we would see an initial overinflated CTR because the video is initially only shown to subscribers that are actively watching his series. Of course, out of this sample, the videos will be clicked more than normal because they're being shown to active viewers of the series. So, this will artificially increase the CTR rate and tell YouTube that this video is performing really well. This combination of temporary overinflated CTR and high watch time give a signal to YouTube that this video is an amazing video that should be unsuggested. Of course, the YouTube algorithm is just a robot, so it doesn't know that this video is part of a series. So it reacts by pumping out this video to outside viewers. This phase will result in the CTR dropping to a normal level because outside viewers are now less likely to click on the video. And that makes sense. But before it drops to a normal level, the video will have at least picked up some new viewers and gave exposure to Dan's channel, and some of these new viewers will be converted to long-term fans. This cycle repeats for every video posted. And every cycle, new viewers are coming in because of how the YouTube algorithm works. Well played, Dan. The other reason why series worked out so well for Dan is because they make it easy to gauge what's working and what's not. One of the hardest things a YouTuber struggles with is what to post. It's a constant battle on figuring out what content your audience wants to watch so you can give it to them. When making individual standalone videos, that can be a little difficult because you have to have an idea for every single upload. Then you have to analyze how the video metrics compare to other videos you've made in the past and see whether viewers are enjoying the new content or not. Then you have to decide whether you should make a similar video but still a little different because you can't make the exact same video twice, or you just come up with another brand new idea. Let's just say it gets a little tiring. However, when you make a series, it actually relieves the creator of all of that work. The series as a whole is either a hit or it isn't. If it isn't, then it's time for a new series idea. If it's a hit, then the answer is to simply continue the series. Taking away these obstacles to uploading has been a key contributor to Dan's success because he can focus on pumping out content for a hit series instead of dwelling on what content to focus on. The second DanTDM secret is his hair. Frequent color changes actually cause the YouTube algorithm to spike his content and explode in growth. Just kidding, but his hair's cool. The actual second DanTDM secret is watch time. In 2012, YouTube did a major overhaul to their discovery algorithm by now prioritizing watch time. Before this point in 2012, clicks mattered more than anything else. So between 2005 to 2012, the algorithm favored really clickbaity content despite the content being bad or not engaging. This era of YouTube is when the content of a video didn't matter as much as the title and thumbnail, and it led to really bad content getting recommended by the algorithm, just because these videos were getting clicked more than other videos. The 2012 change rewarded longer videos that kept users engaged. This really helped out gaming channels that posted longer videos. Coincidentally, Dan received the 100,000 silver play button on June 25, 2013. This means that he saw majority of his initial channel success right around the time the algorithm got this update. Interesting. It was great timing, but Dan didn't just have a lucky break, since he was making content since 2010 on his Pokemon channel. Like the saying goes, success is where preparation and opportunity meet. Dan was prepared, and when the opportunity came in the form of this algorithm change, he was in the position to seize YouTube's success. The third DanTDM secret has to do with the cartoon I mentioned in the beginning, and it's building a sense of community in the viewer. Dan's big on making his viewer feel like they're part of a community. He'll interact with his viewers by way of interacting with comments, drawing their comments, interacting on Discord, and more. This makes the viewer feel like they are part of a community. This keeps viewers coming back. Combined with the number one strategy of series we discussed earlier, this creates a very loyal following and repeat viewers. It's easy for YouTubers to lose focus on the sense of community as they get really big because it gets hard, but Dan hasn't lost sight of that. I want to close this video by saying that after studying Dan during the process of making this video, I realized how deserving he is of the success he has gained on YouTube. Some people may not see the grind that is YouTube, but I definitely understand the commitment and hard work it takes to build a YouTube channel, and this man has been doing it for over a decade. Today, we just see the 25 mil sub number and the success, but behind that number is over 10 years of hard work, sacrifice, and uncertainty. I tip my hat to anyone who has the guts to follow their dreams like that. Thanks for watching this video, you guys. Go ahead and watch another Uclarity video right now, or this big ugly blobfish is going to show up in your bed tonight. I honestly wouldn't risk it. Thanks. Peace.